Good evening. My name is Shanique Pearl, and I am proud to serve as the principal of Thomas Stone High School. It is a pleasure to welcome you to our open house this evening. Tonight, you will have an opportunity to meet your child's teachers and understand their academic expectations so that we can work together in helping your students succeed and find out what your student will learn over the course of the year. It is our mission at Stone to provide the best education possible for every student, and that this only happens when there is communication and cooperation between the school and the families at home. Your presence here tonight is a strong indication of your commitment to your students' education. We are glad you're here. We appreciate your support by making sure that your student attends school, completes his or her assigned work, and is prepared for all assessments. Parents, we know that the success of our students is a result of many positive contributing factors. We encourage you to continue this commitment throughout this school year and stay informed of your child's academic progress. Here are a few ways to help foster effective and productive communication with us. Keep your email and contact information up to date with the school. This way, we can easily and quickly communicate with you when there are concerns, and we can quickly address any questions you may have. Check ParentView, the school district's online parent communication system, to track your students' academic progress and attendance. This information is available to all parents at all times. For those parents that need information on how to activate or to reset your password, please visit Ms. Lee in the main office during the open house tonight before leaving. If you are interested in scheduling a parent-teacher conference, you can do so by email or by phone call by contacting the grade level counselor. The counseling department this year is structured by grade level. Counselors are as follows. Ms. Ransom is assigned to the seniors. Ms. Jarman will be working with juniors. Ms. Attic is assigned to the sophomores. Mr. Bonet will be working with our freshmen, and Ms. Prado is assigned to our special program students. If any other issues do occur, please contact your child's grade level vice principal. Vice principals are as follows. Mr. Lamb is assigned to seniors. Mrs. Paul will be working with our juniors. Mr. Genoa is assigned to our sophomores, and Ms. Clay will be working with our freshmen. We had our first PTSO meeting tonight. We hope to maintain this sense of community throughout the year by inviting all parents to join us at our monthly parent-teacher student organization meetings. Our next meeting is scheduled for November 6th at 6 p.m. in the Media Center. Here at Stone, we have a wonderful team of teachers that are committed to student success and achievement. In closing, teachers, I appreciate all of you for being here tonight. Your work and efforts to help every student reach his or her potential speaks to your dedication to our students and does not go unnoticed. I am grateful for the student council members and National Honor Society student members that are here tonight assisting parents. These students represent a small fraction of the almost 1,200 students that work hard each day to not only make their parents proud, but to make me proud as their principal. Finally, I thank you, the parents, for trusting us with your children. I hope over the course of the year, we will continue to work to make you proud to call your child a Thomas Stone Cougar. At this time, we will begin first period. Enjoy your evening.